Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Trader Talk Sunday with Chat with IK. So this is the third episode of this series. This series is used for documentation of my analysis, trade execution, and also my trade management strategies. Though I don't teach, I just document my trading journey. This is the third episode, and I truly appreciate everyone for tuning in. Please like, share, and also subscribe to this channel to encourage me to keep up making new videos every Sunday. So this is the third episode of this series, and I want to review the trade and the analysis we did the last time. I did the last time on the second episode, and the outcome of the trade. Did I enter the setup or not? And what will I do this in this new week? So everything will be documented here on YouTube. So let's get started with this episode. So last week I talked about, or I did analysis on USD chef. So this is USD chef. So I did analysis on USD chef. So why? So let me show you the analysis I did on USD chef. So after this break, after this break of support and this bearish movement, I've took one trade like 2 weeks ago. This short step around the year, but this trade hit my stop loss. But I was still convinced that this market is going to drop. So I waited for a more proper and redefined entry. So last week the market was trading around this region like so. So my analysis was, if this I want this resistance to hold, and also I will go on a short position after the break of this counter trend line. We have um, bearish movement, retracement to give another bearish uh, trend. So on my previous episode, I talked about that I will short sell USD share after the break of this counter trend line. So on Thursday, which was the last day of the month of April, the market broke this counter trend line. So and I went for a short position around using the 2 hours time frame around this blue um, horizontal line right here. So around this psychological level right here. So this was the area I went for short position. Um, while my stop loss was 60 pips, was 60 pips around somewhere here, and my TP is this black line right here. So though I'm currently in profit, yeah. So this setup is not the best setup because the breakout was really far from the previous high, because normally I do put my stop loss above previous highs, you get, but I wasn't expecting the breakout to happen this week, which was the last day of April, on the 30th of April. I was expecting the breakout to happen on the third, sorry, on the fourth, which is I think on Monday or Tuesday of May. But regardless, the market broke out on Thursday, and I need to follow my strategy and my plan. You get me? So that is why I went for a short position around the year. Then I put my stop loss close to the previous high, which was around 60 pip. So something like this, something like this. So though this trade I have already broken even this trade. Well, this trade now, this trade is not running risk free. So why did I break even? Or why did I break even? I have a rule that anytime the market gets to the 100% retracement level, I need to break even. Why is that? If we go to the 4 hours time frame, so if we go to the 4 hours time frame, or let's say the daily time frame, let's check the daily time frame. So if we use the fib to swing higher to swing low, you see that here is 50% retracement level, and here is 100% retracement. So anytime the market get to the 100% retracement, two things can happen, or two things is going to happen. Number one is we can either um, continue the bearish trend and get to our target, or the other scenario is we can create a double bottom and change structure from down to up. So that was the reason I broke even this trade. You get me? So now this trade is running risk free. So yeah, if you check the previous episode, I did the whole analysis of this market, the reason why I went for, the reason I decided to go for a short position, my confluences, my everything. So I dropped everything on the previous episode. So if you have not watched that episode, which is the second episode of this series, you can go and do that right now to understand the reason why I went for this short position right here. So that's basically all for the previous week. So now we are entering a new week of the first week of May. So and what will I do currently in this my um sell position? So right now, let me delete this trend line so that does not matter any longer. So what will I do in this situation right here, that the market is currently sitting at the 100% retracement level? So like I said before, my stop loss, I have moved my stop loss from here to a little bit past and below my entry, past my entry. So which means this old trade is um is risk free at the moment. So let's continue. I had technical issue just now. So let's continue. So like I said, this my position is currently risk free. So what will I do right now? So at the moment I will do nothing. I have written this down on my trading journal. At this point we do nothing because we can break below, or we can reverse from here to create change of character or of trend, you get. But I'm still very very confident that this market is still bearish, though we are at the 100% retracement, but I'm still convinced this whole trade is still bearish. So I just hope it did not go back to my entry, because if this market reverse back to my entry, I will be taking out for break even. So I just hope that did not won't happen this new week. So that's all. This new episode won't be very very long because there's no new analysis, nothing. I just want to show you guys how is my trade going, and and everything. So yeah, the trade is going fine. Nothing negative or bad happening at the moment. So if we can correlate this or use USD share setup with the dollar index. So like I said before in the previous episode, the dollar index is just like a roadmap to trade all these US pair. So if you can understand the dollar index, trading a US dollar pair will be very very easy. So yeah, some mistake can happen here and there, but the most important thing is always learn from your mistake. So I did a mistake last week by selling at a support level on the DSY, which is very very wrong. But this week I did the right thing by selling at the resistance. You get me? So currently the dollar index is sitting at support level. Let me show you how to like correlate the dollar index to any other US pair. Currently the dollar index is sitting at a support level. I want you guys to remember this. We have support here, we have support here. So currently if you go to USD CHF, the same thing is happening. The market is sitting at the support level. So let's go back to the dollar index. So on the dollar index, two things is going to happen. The first scenario is we can reverse back and change the whole trend, or we can continue the bearish momentum, something like this. So this new week is NFP week, and one of these two scenarios is going to happen. So I don't know which of them is going to happen. I don't know, but what I know is that the market is at a 50-50% a level. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a trend line. Let me see if this makes sense. If there's any need for this. Is there any need for this? Actually, there's no need for this trend line. So I will just fold my hand and watch what will happen this new week. On Friday, which is I think on 8th of May, is NFP this Friday. So the NFP was supposed to be the 1st of May, which was last Friday, but that Friday was Workers' Day. So the new NFP date is on the 8th of April, which is next Friday. So I hope before then the market breaks below. If the market breaks below this support level on the DSY, then just know that we are coming to the next support level here. That means this trade is done. It's done for good. It's dropping, it's coming down. So at the moment, I have nothing to do right now because I'm already on the trade. I just have to sit and wait to see what will happen this new week. Yeah. So um oh well, and also the fourth episode will be coming up next Sunday. You get, so please do well to subscribe to this channel and like, comment. Your comments are welcome below. Comment and share your opinion also. And if you learn anything from this episode, please drop what you learned on the comment section. So thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned to this channel, Chat with IK, for more and more and more episode. So and when we get to 1K, subscribers, and I will start dropping some important or some learning tips on forex. So thank you for watching. Yeah, bye.